Good morning. So, area of triangle formula. What is Heron's formula? Area is equal to root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Where a, b, c are the sides of a triangle and s is called semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means half the perimeter of the triangle. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 and area is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now, one question. Kamala has a triangular field with sides 240 meter, 200 meter, 360 meter where she grew wheat. In another triangular field with sides 240 meter, 320 meter, 400 meter adjacent to previous field, she wanted to grow potatoes and onions. She divided the field into two parts by joining the midpoints of the longest side to the opposite vertex and grew potatoes in one part and onions in another part. How much area in hectares has been used for wheat, potatoes and onion? So this triangle ABC is the portion where she wants to grow wheat, and this adjacent triangular plot is there 240 meter, 400 meter, 320 meter. That is divided into two parts. How it is divided? Drawing a midpoints of the longest side to the opposite. Longest side is 400 meters. Midpoint is what are E. So join with the opposite vertex. Now there are three parts. These parts are there. Okay. One part onion and one part potato. So we have to find out the area. So what is it? Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. What is A? A is equal to 200. B is equal to what? 240. C is equal to what? 360. So what is S? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 200 plus 240 plus 360 by 2. So what is answer? 400 meter. This is S. Now what is area? Area is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. 400 into 400 minus 200 into 400 minus 240 into 400 minus 360 is equal to root of 400 into 200 into 160 into 40. So its square root is 16,000 root 2 meter square. So one, 10,000 meters square is equal to 1 hectare. So what you can write? 16,000 root 2 by 10,000 hectare. So answer is what? 61. This three zeros are there. So 1.6 root 2 hectare. 1.6 root 2 hectare means 1.6 into 1.414. Its approximate value is 2.26 hectares. 2.26 hectares. And now, area of second part. What is area of second part? Area of second part is area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD is equal to what? S is equal to triangle ACD means sides are that is divided into two parts, but we can find a total area. Total area means 240 plus 320 plus 400 by 2. So what is answer? 480 meter. Therefore, area is equal to root of 480 into 480 minus 240 into 480 minus 320 into 480 minus 400. So, answer is 480 into 240 into 160 into 80. So, answer is 38400 meters square. Now we have to convert into hectare. So 38400, sorry, 10 next, by 10,000 meters hectare. So what is answer? 3.84 hectare. 3.84 hectare. But you know that area of triangle ACD is divided into two parts. So what is area of each part? Area of each part is equal to 3.84 by 2. What is 3.84 by 2? 1.92 hectares. 1.92 hectares. So what we can say? Wheat area is what? Wheat area is 2.26 hectares. Onion 1.92 hectares. And potato also 1.92 hectares. This is the answer. Now, students of a school staged a rally for cleanliness campaign. They walked through the lines in two groups. One group is walked through the lines AB, lines AB, then BC, then CA, while the other through AC, CD, and DA. Then they cleaned the area enclosed within their lines. So this area they cleaned, this area other group cleaned. AB is equal to 9 meter, BC 40 meter, CD 15 meter, DA 28 meter, and B 90 degree. Which group cleaned more area and by how much? So we have to find out the area of this portion and this portion. What is area of triangle ABC? So first of all, you have to find out in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, you can apply Pythagoras theorem, and AC squared is equal to 9 squared plus 40 squared. So 81 plus 1600. So 1681. So what is AC? AC is root of 1681. The square root is 41. So this side is what? 41. Now you can find out area of triangle ABC. What is it? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base. Base is what? Here you no need to apply Heron's formula. 40 into 9. So half into 40, 20. 20 into, sorry, this is 9, 90 not. 20 into 9. 20 into 9 is what? 180 meter square. 180 meter square. Now, next, area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD means you have to apply Béron's formula. A is equal to what? 28 meter. B is equal to 15 meter. C is equal to 41 meter. Therefore, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 28 plus 15 plus 41 by 2. So what is it? This is 42 meter. Therefore, area is equal to root of 42 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 15 into 42 minus 41. So what is it? Root of 42 into 1 into 27 into 40. So what is answer? 42 you can write it as 6 into 7. This we can write it as 3 into 9. 2 into 7. So this is root of 7 into 7 into 9 into 6 into 6. So 7 into 3 into 6. So 7 to 3, 21, 21 into 6, 126 meter square. Therefore, what you can say, first group cleans first group cleans 180 meter square and second group cleans 126 meter square. So which is more? 180 minus 126 is equal to 54 meter square more cleaned by first group. 54 meter square. Total area is equal to, total area cleaned is equal to, total area cleaned is equal to 180 plus 126. What is answer? 306 meter square. This is the total area cleaned by two groups. Now, Sania has a piece of land which is in the shape of rhombus. She wants her daughter and one son to work on the land and produce different crops. So she divided the land into two parts. This is one part, this is another part. In the perimeter of the land, if the perimeter of the land is 400 meter and one of the diagonal is 160 meter, you have to find out how much area of them will get for their crops. So what you have to find out? You have to find out the area of total. You have to find out area. How to find out area? So this two are equal triangle, same triangle. So find out the area of one and multiply with the two. Or then this because you know diagonal of a rhombus, divide the rhombus into two parts of equal triangle. So what is you have to find out area of one triangle? Area of ABD. Area of triangle ABD. So A is equal to 100 meter, B is equal to 100 meter, C is equal to 160 meter. So these are the sides. So what is S? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So 100 plus 100 plus 160 by 2. So 360 by 2. What is 360 by 2? 360 by 2 is 180. Therefore, area is equal to root of 180 into 180 minus 100 into 180 minus 100 into 180 minus 160. So what is it? Root of 180. 180 minus 100 is 80 into 80 into 20. So this we can write it as 80 into 80. We can write together. 180 into 80 is actually 3600. So 80 into 3600 would is 60. So answer is what? 4800 meters square. So this is the area of one. So what we can say? Each of them will get how much area? 4800 meters square. So each of them will get. Therefore, each of them will get 4800 meters square. Now, this same problem you can do in another way also. You know, diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. So, if you put like this, so this is what a 160. 160. If you, this is what a 100. 100 is there. This is also what a 100. So this is what 80. If this is 80, this is 100 means what is this side? Root of 100 squared minus 80 squared. So 10,000 minus 6,400. So what is it? 3,600. 3,600 is 60. So what is this side? This side is 60. So diagonals are now what? One of the diagonal D1 is what? D1 is 160 and D2 this is 160. So D2 means 2 into 60. 120. Therefore, area of rhombus is equal to what? Half into D1 into D2. What is D1 into D2? Half into 160 into 120. So 9600 meters. This is total area. So what we will get? Each of them will get 9600 by 2. So each of them will get 9600 by 2. What is 9600 by 2? 4800 meters square. This is the answer. Now, this is a homework for you. A park is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD and has angle C 90 degree, angle AB 9 centimeter, 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter, AD 8 meter. So actually this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle what is area? Half into base into height. So half into BC into CD. So what is answer? 30 meters squared. Now like in the first problem you can find out BD. BD is equal to what? Root of 12 squared plus 5 squared. So 144 plus 25. Root of 169. 169 is what? 13. So what is this side? 13. If this side is 13, then what is area of triangle ABD? Area of triangle ABD. Here A is equal to 9, B is equal to 8, C is equal to what? 13. So S is equal to what? A plus B plus C by 2. So 9 plus 8 plus 13 by 2. 30 by 2. Answer is what? 15. Therefore, area is equal to root of 15 into 15 minus 9 into 15 minus 8 into 15 minus 30. So this you have to simplify and you will get the answer. Try to find out the answer. This is an aeroplane shape. You have to find out the area. So what is it? This is 5 centimeter means this is also what? 5. And this is 6. This total length is what? 6.5 means What is this length? This is 1.5. So this is 5. So note it for that 5. So you can find out area this. This is 5, 5. This length is what? 1. So what is area? This area first portion. Area first portion. So here A is equal to 5. B is equal to 5. C is equal to what? 1. Then you can find out area. And second portion. Second portion is what? Area of second portion. Area of second portion is a length into breadth. So 6.5 into 1. So what is it? 6.5 centimeter square. Now area of third portion you leave it. Area of fourth. What is area of fourth? Area of fourth is a triangle. So what is area? Half into base is what? 1.5. Height is what? 6. Or in a reverse way. So what is answer? 263. So answer is 4.5. 4.5. Now the area first part is over, area second part is over, area third part you leave it, area fourth part is over. What is area fifth part? Same as area of fourth part. Now you have to find out area of third part. That I will tell you in the next class. So time being you do this problem. Okay, thank you.